Guys, I'm in the casino. I want to play some slot machine. I have a favorite slot machine. Let me find out if somebody is playing it. Most of the time somebody is. I have to wait. Let's see. We'll go inside the casino. I hope nobody is occupying the slot machine that I like to play. Let's see.
I still want to talk to you. Keep posted on what you're doing.
I knew it. Somebody is occupying my slot machine. It's right there. That very corner is my slot machine. See, all of them are, a group of people are playing it. Dang. Oh. Now I have to wait, or I'll just pick another slot machine. But I like that one because it's in the corner. You can watch the people walk by. I like slot machine that's close to the walkway, so you can see the people walking by. You know, especially the sexy ladies. Anyway, let's see what I'm gonna play. Okay.